This is a cross-laminated timber piece. This is definitely more efficiency and less wastage.
When you see that grain, when you see that material and you touch those imperfections, there's real beauty in that.
My name's Trady DeLacy. I'm an Executive Director and one of the owners of TTW.
My name is Victoria Su. I'm the Sustainability Design Lead at TTW.
TTW is a wholly Australian-owned specialist engineering consultancy.
We are very much focused on buildings and their materials and how do we reduce emission and how can we design buildings to be lower carbon upfront.
The traditional method of building tall buildings has been reinforced concrete. There's been some more different technologies that have come through, but it's still very much the same sort of products that we've been using. So what we're talking about is changing that dynamic and actually using a renewable resource to create timber panels that can then be the walls and the floors of this building.
Mass timber is effectively an alternative to concrete.
Concrete and steel are really high intensive materials. They require digging out fossil fuels from the ground. The manufacturing process of concrete and steel emit carbon into the atmosphere, whereas timber as a raw material, it's regenerative. We grow it from the ground. It stores carbon throughout its lifetime.
Just look at it through the lens of how much are we reducing the embodied carbon compared to a concrete building. The ability to get that down to 30, 40, even 50% is possible through the use of mass timber.
Timber enjoys all of the same benefits that any form of prefabricated construction enjoys. You get better tolerances, faster construction times, less people on site, which has a lot of other benefits to do with safety and noise and disruption for adjoining neighbours.
As our sustainability requirements increase, mass timber should definitely be one of the options that are considered for a new development.
It's the right thing to do in the market, and it will be competitive, and it will produce a product that's outstanding and worthy of others to take note of. Our intention is to reduce our embodied carbon by choosing renewable resources and building things in a smarter way.